Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to apply the velocity effect in CapCut. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now inside, you want to create your own project, and you could just go ahead and import the video that you want to use for this project. Now right after adding your clip into your timeline, you could just go ahead and mute the music of our video right here. So proceed by clicking on volume, and from here you want to switch it to 0. Click on the check icon, and now we are ready to proceed. Right after, you want to cut the video because we are going to slow this video down. In my case, I'll go ahead and make my video up to 4 seconds. So I'll just go ahead and click on split, and from here you want to delete the extra part. The last thing to do now is to go ahead and slow down the video. So once again, click on the clip, and from here you want to look for the speed option. Inside speed, click on normal, and from here you want to make it to 0.3 or 0.4. Right after, you want to click on this pop-up menu, and you want to select the better quality option. Click on the check icon, and now it will apply our slow motion to the video. And right after, you want to export your video by clicking on this button, and from here you want to select 1080p, 60 fps, and just go ahead and click on the upload or extract button. And in that way, we will be able to export our video and add it into another project. Right after, you want to click on add project, add the video that we just edited, and from here you want to apply your music. So click on audio, click on sound, and from here you want to select or apply any audio from your device or CapCut. And right after adding your music, we are going to highlight every beat that you have into your music right here. So just go ahead and click on the music clip, and in here you want to look for beats. With this tool right here, we will be able to mark our beat in order to time our velocity effect. So you could just go ahead and play the video and see for yourself where the beats are. You could just go ahead and highlight them by clicking on the add beat button, and you will be able to add this yellow marker right here. So to make this part easier, you want to click on the play button, and every time you hear a beat, you could just go ahead and press the add beat button. So once again, you want to delete the ending of our video right here. And now this is where we'll get the tricky part. You want to proceed by heading onto the beginning of our video, and from here you want to split the video every beat that we have in our video. So first things first, this is our first beat, so you want to speed up the video right here, and right after you could just go ahead and speed up the video, click on speed, and from here you want to turn it into something like 5.0 to 8.0x. Right after, you want to repeat the step that we just made. So in here you want to split this video, click on split, and you want to speed up the video every time that we have this beat. So I'll just go ahead and split up right here, and you want to speed up the video every time we get the beat into our music. So in our case, it's going to be this beat right here. You want to split on this specific beat on your video, and from here you could just go ahead and speed it up to 8.0x. And basically from here, you want to repeat the step that we just made, split the video in the beat, go ahead and do the same thing for the second beat, and speed up the video up to 8.0x. So just go ahead and do these methods until you completed the entire video. Right after editing the video, you could just go ahead and export this specific video. And for the third time, you want to create a new project and add the video that we just edited. Lastly, we are going to apply this effect called motion blur. So you could just scroll all the way down until you see the motion blur option. And from here, you want to set it to the following. For blur, you want to set it to 100. And the blend will be 12. Lastly, click on times, and from here you want to set it to twice. Go ahead and click on the check icon, and now it will apply a motion blur to make the video smoother. And lastly, you can now go ahead and export the video, and the video should look like this. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.